Hello, welcome back. Jim here from Grassroots Piano. Today we are working on E flat major scale, one hand at a time. And if you do have time, I will be demonstrating both hands at the end of the video. Last week I did B flat, now we're adding another flat, so E flat has 3 flats in them. So we have E flat in this key, A flat, and B flat. I'm gonna go ahead and show the right hand and just the notes and the fingering, but then I'm gonna break it down because I've learned some learners have some coordination issues, so hopefully these tips will help you. We have our 3rd finger on E flat, 1 on F, and then we have our 2 on G, and then we have our 3rd on A flat, 4 on B flat, and then our thumb will tuck underneath our hand, 1 on C, 2 on D, and then 3 on E flat. I'll demonstrate descending too, but before I do that, let's talk about a good way to get the scale down well and quickly. So I'm going to suggest know the first 5 notes: E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. You can consider that like the first block, if you will. So practice that hand movement, make sure you're really relaxed, meaning arm, elbow weight's good. And then if you notice, the right hand goes to the C like that, so you can now just practice that part. After you get that down, you're going to go ahead and try the whole scale. And you want to think wrist is aligned with the arm. Avoid all that unnecessary twisting. I'll demonstrate the scale and I'll count out 2 beats, ascending and descending. Here I go. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Another quick power tip here is some students, they're doing really well, but when they go down, they're afraid what finger to get. So really memorize that 4th finger on the B flat. If you don't use the 4th finger, you will run out of fingers. So keep that in mind. Hopefully that's helpful. Take your time, practice it slowly, a little bit each day. You'll get these scales down. Left hand time, again, 3rd finger. And by the way, the 3rd finger starts on E flat and ends on E flat with both hands. Pretty cool. So we have E flat here. We have the 3rd finger. We have 2, F, and the 1 finger on G, 4th finger A flat. We have the 3rd finger on B flat, 2 finger on C, and then D. It's our 1, and then we cross to 3. All right, now let's look at the landmark notes for the left hand. E flat, F, G. And then some students find it beneficial just those first 3 notes, and the next section is a block where you have the 4 finger, 2, D is 1, and 3. You can finish it that way. I believe I just learn it by just going up and down, working on the right fingering, and the key note here is that 4th finger on the A flat. Like I do with the right hand, I'll count it out nice and slow. I will go ascending and descending. 3, 4, and 1, 2. Think ahead if you can. 4th finger on A flat. Question I had from a student a while ago, they would mention about when they're descending and also ascending, they will not play in the far into the keys, they'll play on the edge, so you have to twist more, and that can be awkward, so use the whole keyboard. All right, if you're still with me, awesome, thank you. I'm going to just demonstrate 1 octave, both hands, slow. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button so it reaches other awesome learners like you. And don't forget to check out my other scale videos as well as chord patterns. Bye for now. Take care.